Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily clean the main brush or replace it on your XIAOMI robot vacuum X20 Max. To begin, you'll need to slide your robot out of the charging station, as you can see right now. Then flip it over so you have access to the bottom. Then you'll need to open these doors in order to be able to take the brush out and clean it or replace it. To do it, squeeze these two buttons together and the door comes right off. Then you can take the brush out and clean it. You can see there is some hair, something going on there, so you should simply clean it with a brush. You can also cut off the hair if they're like wrapped around the whole brush. And then put it back in like so. So this part with the square sticking out goes into the part with the square rotating hole. So let's do it right there. It needs to go in, then push the other side in. It's great to hold the robot at an angle so it doesn't fall out, because it can freely fall out here. Then all you do is simply close the door. First, the notches here, they need to go in on the front of the robot, then click the back with the buttons. And as you can see, it is there. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.